Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am going to show you how to fix not detecting second monitor on Windows 11. To fix it, right-click on the Start menu. Click on Device Manager. After opening the Device Manager, expand the display adapter. Right-click on your graphics adapter. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. After finishing the update, close and restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem is solved. If it did not resolve the problem, go to your computer manufacturer's official website, download and install the latest graphics driver for your computer. After download and installing the graphics driver, restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.